Welcome to Agrimly. Let us learn about a very important topic, and today's topic is Majorna particles or quantum computers ki suraksha. In the year 1930, Italian physicist Ettore Majorna proposed a particle that would be its own antiparticle. Such a particle is called a Majorna particle. A Majorna particle is unique because if you turn it inside out in every property, it remains the same. In superconductors cooled near absolute zero, Majorna-like quasiparticles can emerge. These are not fundamental particles but excitations that behave mathematically like Majornas. They can be used in quantum computers to store and manipulate information. Quantum computers suffer from noise and errors when qubits lose coherence. Unlike classical bits that are either 0 or 1, qubits can exist in superposition of both states. But this fragile property makes them highly error-prone. To solve this, physicists propose using Majorna qubits. A Majorna qubit stores one logical qubit in a bundle of many physical qubits. This redundancy protects the qubit against local disturbances such as defects in material or stray noise. In principle, a quantum computer could be programmed by moving Majorna modes through a sequence of braids. This process would define qubits without requiring exact position or energy control. The robustness would come not from error-correcting layers but from the fundamental physics of the particles. Each braid corresponds to a logical operation. When Majorna modes are braided, their joint quantum state changes in a way that depends only on the order, not on the path taken. This makes them resilient against small errors in timing, position, or environment. Over the last decade, experiments have produced signals consistent with the presence of Majorna modes in nanowires made of materials like indium antimonide coupled to superconductors. But full proof is still awaited. Scientists are now working to show that these modes obey non-abelian statistics, which is the ultimate test. If successful, Majorna particles could make quantum computers far more stable and practical. They would resist noise, reduce the need for error correction, and help achieve fault-tolerant quantum computation. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe to our Grimly.